Hello, Manuel Maldonado here. Shout out to April Rain. She's my best friend now on chat. She's going to bed, so maybe tomorrow she can see this. Made an eye right there, bored, practicing something. And here's the next video to the thing I was showing in the other video that previously. First one, I was obsessed with Minecraft. First Minecraft and then anime. And so here's the slime I drew. That's not a shoe, it's ink or something. Ignore that one. And this one's my favorite. My favorite one here is this. That right there, I don't like. It says, "Dear Diary, Creeper likes tea." I remember that. G-A-Y. Just kidding, it isn't. I don't know. Yeah, I like this one more. Oh, that's Enderman, but I just put the tail there. It's Creeper, Gassy. She's seriously. And just to show around you. What the heck? I love Minecraft. Does that Adventure Time thing came out? My sister used to draw a whole bunch of Minecraft. There's get this in the light. Oh my god. That's terrible. She used to draw creepers crying. I don't know why. Random stuff here. It's kind of bored. And this I drew a long time ago. Right here. I painted that. I live in the United States. I think April Rain. Yeah, April Rain. I think your name is. Hope it is. Oh, April Rain. Hold on. Find what's in that room. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba ba. Crab. I also playing Minecraft. Soon I'll make a video of that.
Kill me!
No. Outside.
I almost exited out the game. Oh!
Right now it's a little morning. Sorry if you're going to sleep. Morning right now. Almost. Just on my iPad. Some water right there. Don't know why. Hi, Meow. Where are you? There you are. There she is. The car going by. No one even knows that there's a YouTuber next to us. Well, my friends do. It's Ping. Cat. You're allergic to cats, but I don't know. April Rain. Trap House! Trap House is. Okay, sorry. Trap House is one of my friends. Some delicious banana bread. Here, eat some. Yum. Tea I drink. Who drank my tea? Pizza. Which one do you want? In the comments below, who would win? Pepperoni or sausage and pepperoni? Yum. Doesn't taste better. Comments, do you think this is real? No. Answer's no. I don't know really what to record. I don't know. Yeah. Well, that's terrible. Look at that. Cat. This is recording a cat. That didn't work. That's just my cat's leg. Like that. Leroy. Let's a little bit of you. How they really? Sorry, I can't let you in. You knocked down the trash can. So that's probably it for today. I'm sorry. There's this other one I was working on for Minecraft, and it did not work. I can't find it. Ends up somewhere really random. It's me again. I think you're a girl. April Rose. Shout out to you for watching and commenting my videos. Birth said dope. I don't know who you are, but okay. There. Subscribe to my channel, get notifications. April Rose. And you can check out my fan art. Not really fan art, just art. And then just art. Exclamation mark and question mark. And there's some more art. Yeah. In the comments below, tell me what to draw next. If it's something that I don't know, I'll text you back. I don't have Twitter. I wish I did. But no, I can't. So, thumbs up. Bye. Bye. Have a great time. Subscribe and all that stupid stuff.